Christmas Eve. I'm freezing over here. Well, trying to get warm because I've been freezing for so long. Mimi over there, gets so many presents. Well, not that much, but I have no presents. Well, she gets at least one. Well, actually, she got two. And if I'm sounding spoiled, I'm not at all spoiled. Do you know how big that guitar was that she got? It was like, this is what it looks like. Maybe I got you this big bouncy guitar. Yay! Bong! Bong! She's not the best with music. Oh, and I also got you these two little cute pet stuffed animals. Can't breathe. Someone CPR moments. Oh. Where's your present for me? Hang on there. I don't want to hang on. I want to know. I want to know. Find that. Hold on a second. Where is it? Let's see here. No, it's here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, found it. There. Ah, it's so tiny. It's a scarf. And this fabric for it costs like $20. I don't believe it. Okay, actually 20 cents, but it's very, very, very invaluable. I had to bargain the guy from $100 to 20 cents. Fine. I'll wear it, but only because it's very invaluable, like me. Part of it fell off. Well, then you can use it for your, to put it in your bed and stuff like that. There. Fine. Oh, girls, it's time to go sleep. Okay. Where do I sleep? You can sleep in the bag. I'm supposed to sleep in the bag. Yeah, duh. At least you don't have to sleep on the floor like me. Hello, you don't have to sleep on the floor. Well, you do, but you got that large blanket. Don't complain. Huh. You're such a complainer. I'm the complainer. Really? I'm only a complainer because my life is miserable, rotten, and I know that I'm not overreacting. But even worse, during the middle of the night, you know what she did. Well, this is what happened. Mimi, stop doing that. Mom. What? What is it, Mimi? Cassidy is awake. Cassidy. You go to sleep right now, or you're grounded for 2 weeks. Fine then. Two minutes later. She drags me over there. And then this is what she did. Mom! Where's the Mimi? Cassidy. What did she do this time? She kicked me off my bed and sleeping in it. Cassidy, you get off your sister's bed right now. I don't even remember getting in it. Oh, be quiet. I've had enough of your bad behavior. Oh. Mom! What did Cassidy do this time? She stole my toys. Look. Cassidy. What? How could you steal your sister's toys? Go to bed now. You're grounded. For a month. Oh no, don't you dare use that bag. You're not going to be using that bag. I'm going to be putting this up. And you're going to be sleeping on the floor far away. There. I should show her for her punishment.